fix Binance Not Working 2026. So to fix the Binance mobile app when it is not working, if you are on Android device, go to settings, then tap apps and then select Binance, then open the Binance stories and tap clear cache. Now on an iPhone, what you have to do is go to the settings, then scroll down and tap in general. Now go to iPhone storage. Now find Binance from the list, or you can tap in the search bar at the bottom and then search for Binance. Now tap upload app. Now to confirm, tap upload app one more time. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Binance app and then reinstall it from there to clear temporary data. Now the next thing what you can do is scroll down the control center from top of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate network blocks. Or you can just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Binance app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.